Welcome to my channel. Aloo Tikki recipe. We will take the willow, cut it into pieces, and boil it. To make aloo tikkis, we will take finely chopped onions along with green chilies. Remove the skin of the boiled onions and add red chilies, home ground spices, celery and pomegranate seeds, and salt. Now mix it well and add salt. Now the mixture has been made and will be given a round shape. Now take 2 spoons of gram flour and add salt and red pepper to it and make a mixture. Pour some oil in a pan and let it heat on medium flame. Now dip the tikkis in the besan mixture and fry it in a frying pan. We have ready-made aloo tikki.
Alhamdulillah.